We need to secure this housing before the next cycle. I'm on it.
The coolant lines are secure.
All right, let's initiate the flush cycle on the chip washer. We use the green button to initiate the cycle, then adjust the feed rate with this dial right here.
Okay. And this joystick navigates the offset menu?
That's correct.
Straps are tight.
Chains are locked. Final delivery ready.
The schematic shows the power input on the left side.
Okay, I'm opening the access panel now.
We'll need the torque wrench for these bolts.
Reading at 480 volts, 3-phase.
Okay, the documentation confirms that matches the machine's requirement. We are compatible. There it is, the first part.
Excellent work. Acceptance confirmed.
So you'll log the vibration analysis here after the quarterly check.
And what if we see a deviation from the baseline?
Good question. You'll immediately file a support ticket.
This model features our latest 5-axis simultaneous machining technology, significantly reducing cycle times.
And what about the spindle speed on this configuration?
If we adjust the tolerance on this assembly, we can reduce the cycle time.
Let's review the stress test simulation first.
As you can see, the 5-axis head handles the complex geometry seamlessly.
The surface finish is excellent, even on this titanium alloy.
As you can see on the CAD model, this modification allows for the specialized tooling. We verified the measurements with the caliper.
This line right here controls the depth of the cut.
Okay, so we finalized the G-code sequence here.
The diagnostic panel is showing everything in tolerance.
Warning. Potential failure detected. Immediate maintenance required.
are the full specs we discussed. The ROI calculator is preloaded.
Excellent, thank you. This looks very promising.
As you can see on the simulation, the dynamic milling strategy optimizes the tool path for this specific aluminum alloy.
By utilizing the Section 179 deduction, the first year's write-off significantly improves cash flow.
That works perfectly. Let's move forward with the purchase.
The addition of this CNC machine has completely revolutionized our workflow. We've seen a significant increase in efficiency and precision.
Ensure the main disconnect is switched off. Secure the isolation point with your personal lock and do not operate tag. Finally,
Yes.
Can you show me the calibration logs for this unit, specifically the maintenance schedule?
Yes, the records are all here.